Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Greetings. This is going to be a short talk about the concept of function relation, and it is intended to be a preliminary for the coming lecture in which we are going to illustrate the analytical geometry interpretation of inverse function. So, as I mentioned, it's going to be a short talk, so let's get started. Let A and B be any non-empty sets, two non-empty sets. Then the Cartesian product of A and B, denoted by A cross B, is a set of all ordered pairs such that the first component of the ordered pair comes from the set A and the second component comes from the set B. Now, if these two sets, A and B, come up to be real numbers, the whole real numbers, the set of real numbers, then R cross R is Cartesian product in the plane. So we may consider R cross R to be universal Cartesian product in a plane, in 2D. You follow me so far? Now, any subset of R cross R is called relation. So the analytical geometry of some algebraic expressions or algebraic equations, some of them that we are familiar with, like parabola, like circle, like ellipse, like lines of any slopes or any kind of curve, every single of them are relation. You follow me? Now, function is a subset of relation, is a particular kind of relation. And that is the first component of each ordered pair, in the case of function, must be uniquely paired with an element from the second set B. Then that will be function. Now, about first of all, please do not get discouraged when you hear this stuff for the first time, and it sounds like a foreign language, but let them to motivate you. Now, I have already uploaded about 3 or 4 lectures about this particular function relation subject and different kind of functions. Now, if you do need to refresh yourself, I do strongly encourage you to watch those videos in my channel. Now, that is the reason I'm just making that a short talk, and I'm not going to put them in writing and put them on the board for you. As I already mentioned in the beginning, it's going to be kind of preliminary for the next coming lecture. Okay, then I encourage you also to watch the previous lecture and the next lecture coming, that they all discuss about inverse functions. Okay, that I'm saying for the third time that I said this is going to be a short talk, and it is. And as always, I thank you for watching, and I wish you all good and prosperity. I always finish my videos with saying these few words. Okay, then, this is my army salute, and I wish you all good health. So long.